Oh lord, help Ihor, please. Are you ready?
Yes.
I agree, I give up.
We have a BDSM video, as I understand.
Don't be smart, very bad results. Here we can compete for real.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, I'm Cubastic and you are on Cubastic channel. Next to me is a professional speedcuber, Ihor Sohovatenko.
Hello everyone.
Not very fast guy. Ihor is a champion of Ukraine. How many records of Ukraine do you have now?
6.
6 records of Ukraine in speed solving of a Rubik's Cube and other puzzles. And today I want to challenge you. Or I don't even know, maybe you wanna challenge me? Can I beat Ihor? I'm like an unprofessional speedcuber, so let's see if I can somehow beat a professional under some circumstances. Noob vs Speedcuber Part 2. Let's start. Tell me, what is your average result in Rubik's Cube?
My average is 7.5 seconds.
Oh gosh, what place in Ukraine do you got?
Now I'm the 3rd in Ukraine.
Only the 3rd? Well, I don't know, let's try this, let's do the first solving.
Okay.
Let's see how long it takes for each of us. Write in the comments, by the way, your average time in solving Rubik's Cube, if you know how to solve it. 3, 2, start. I made the pair wrong. That's it? 883? That's not even your average. And look, I just have everything scrambled. I made about 6 pairs, but there are only 2 on their place. Let's do it again.
Okay.
This time I will watch you solve to understand your secret. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, start. Well folks, I almost beat him. I almost did. I had 1 algorithm left. And you solved it in 1065. Isn't that a bad result for you?
Really bad.
A man for whom 10 seconds is very bad. In order for me to get even close to your result, I have to solve it very good and you have to do it very
bad.
Yes, come on, Ihor, I believe in you. Do it bad, please. 3, 2, start.
Seven.
Very stable. Damn, 8 seconds and I have
1
this
pair.
look. Well guys, let's say I'm not good at solving cubes. So I want to make some complications for you. I suggest that you solve a cube with 1 hand and I'll do it with 2.
Okay.
How fast do you solve with 1 hand?
About 15 seconds.
15 seconds? I think
Yeah.
I have a chance to win. Round 2. Let's see if this complication complicates your task.
Yes.
You're 1, I'm 2.
It's gonna be hard.
3, 2, start. I have a chance.
Ah. 14. 1 second.
I was so close. Oh man. Well, honestly, I was solving it and thought, damn, how long? When will he finish it? Come on, let's do it again. I want to beat you. So, how many competitions have you been to?
I had 37 competitions.
This is less than I had.
Yes, I started 4 years later than you.
Yep, you're right. Young generation of speedcubers against old. Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, start. Damn!
Whoa, whoa, PLL.
No
14.
way! Wait! I want to make it a bit harder for you, so I got a special cube just for champions like you. Here it is. This is a dangerous cube that we call the BDSM cube. This is what it looks like. What do you think about it?
It hurts.
And it also hurts me when you're beating me. So this is a complication for you. The only drawback is that I have to scramble it.
And I have to solve
Scramble. How fast can you solve a cube like this?
it. I don't know.
To make it interesting to compete, you're going to solve this cube and I'm going to solve the cube with 1 hand. At the same time, we will see my results in One hand. Oh Lord, help Ihor, please. I don't want to solve, I want to watch it.
Ready.
3, 2, start.
It hurts! Oh, the wrong pair.
The wrong finger. Can I start?
You can even do it with 2 hands. PLL.
You will win.
29.
Damn. How do your hands feel?
Well, there's even no blood. It's a record.
Bad, you have to do it again. Look, if you turn it gently, see, I don't even touch these push pins.
I'm trying to do that.
29 is your result. I didn't solve that cube last time, so let's do it again.
Wait, I wanna see the cross. Among
I
all
see only
these,
pain
nails.
there. 3, 2, start. With one hand.
Here's what will happen if you come to shoot on Cubastic.
So...
Oh, whoa. 21.
Wait, 21 with this? That's all. I agree, I give up. It's impossible. I'm afraid even to take this cube in my hands. I'll give it to you to practice at home. Take it with you and bring it to WCA. By the way, can this be solved at WCA?
Theoretically yes, but the delegate can say
Ouch!
why, for what?
And the scramblers will say, oh.
Oh.
Okay, let's move on to the next round. So that we actually feel equal conditions, we will solve unofficial puzzles. Those puzzles that neither me nor Ihor haven't trained. These are mirror Rubik's Cubes, and they look cool, give them to me. When they are solved, they look like a cube, but once we begin to scramble them, they are out of shape, and you have to focus not on color, but on the shape of the details. Although the algorithms are the same.
I haven't solved a mirror cube for 3 years, I guess, and in fact, over that time, these cool magnetic mirror cubes appeared.
By the way, this is a magnetic.
This is incredible.
Which one do you want to solve, magnetic or old? This one is about 3 years old.
I want to solve an old one, because I'm used to it, and this one is really futuristic, just as you like it.
Okay, 3, 2, start.
Okay, I started from the wrong side. Okay. After the BDSM cube, this one feels much better.
Damn, I made the cross wrong. What a mess.
What is this? A perm or not? Yes or not?
Damn, not that.
A perm once again. Ah!
I won!
Cubastic!
Really bad results.
The difference is less than a second.
102, 103. We can really compete here.
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, start. I'm solving the cross.
And I'm not. Wrong way and wrong pair. Okay.
Why didn't they add this to official competitions? It's fun.
They've been considering such ideas, but we will wait because the WCA hasn't been updated since 2014. The last update was as cube at WCA. PLL.
45 seconds!
53.
Well, here I'm the champion, do you agree?
Yeah.
The cubes are not your strong suit, so let's move on to more complicated puzzles. It's a Megaminx, you know it, because...
Of course, because this one is mine, by the way.
This is his cube. The fact is that Ihor is champion of Ukraine in solving this cube. This 12-colored, not even a cube, what do they call it?
Dodecahedron.
This 12-colored dodecahedron.
Such clever words you can learn only on Cubastic channel.
Nobody solves this puzzle.
Calling it dodecahedron.
By the way.
I'm sure.
And moreover, no one solves this puzzle in our country faster than Ihor. So, in order to have at least a small chance of defeating you, I took a mini version of the same puzzle. It's a Megaminx that...
It's called a Kilminx and it's 2x2.
Yes, it's called Kilminx and... Wait, don't be clever! It's the same cube, but as you can see, there are fewer details. I will solve this easy one and I will give you the opportunity to set another national record. Tell me, what is the record of Ukraine in Megaminx now?
The average time is 35 seconds and the single is 33.
33? I find it hard to believe that a cube with 100, maybe more details can be solved in 33 seconds, because in 33 I can't always solve a regular cube. Please like and write a comment if you want to see Ihor beat his own record right now. What's the world record is?
25 seconds.
Madness.
Cubastic, are you ready?
I don't know, a bit scary. Guys, subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications, because in one of the following videos I will show you best Speedcuber battles I've conducted. And I hope you don't want to miss it. 3, 2, start. I'm really trying to do it quickly, but I think the odds are really very low.
So I have PLL left, and what is this? Oh, and J-Perm. 40. There were 5 PLLs.
What am I doing? I needed OLL and I turned PLL.
Whoa!
Sub 1! For me it's a good result. In fact, I used to solve this puzzle in like 2 minutes and now it's 58. But still 40 seconds for this monster? Well, I don't know about you, but I want to see you solve it in 35 seconds.
Okay.
And I want to solve this thing at least in 40 seconds. I watched Ihor solve this right at the competitions, and it was so fast that as soon as you blinked your eyes, you missed half. Look attentively at how Ihor solves. It should be fast. Well, after these words you have to try well.
Okay.
Let's go. 3, 2, start.
Boom, boom, boom.
What?
36.
Damn! I have a long way to the solved cube and you have 36. I already believe you are national record holder. Well, it's actually pretty fast. Just so you know, if you multiply it by 2, I can do it even in that time. Okay, the last round where I hope I have some chances. Besides the Megamains, I know you're solving big cubes really fast.
Yes.
So today we're going to solve big cubes, that's 4x4. I know you like this one, which is why, especially for you, I give to you the best and greatest 4 I have. This is your 4x4 cube for today. Just so you know, this is the original Rubik's, which is not goddamn turning. Here you can do these things, and it's almost impossible to turn it, so I think this is a puzzle for you. Scramble a 4 for me, and I will scramble this cube, which is really bad. My last chance to win. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes!
Okay, 3, 2, start. You're solving it so fast, I don't even know if it's possible to turn it as fast as I can hear it. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Damn, what the hell is this?
3x3!
Finally! Oh, Ihor, it's clear, the cubes aren't your strong suit. Let this video motivate you for the best results in speedcubing. Never give up, and I'm sure you will be able to defeat the strongest in this case. The main thing is to complicate their task enough. And of course, practice and everything will be fine. Ihor, I hope that you will remember this advice. 120!
Hooray!
You're a true champion. I don't know about you, but I had a lot of fun. It's going to be a really cool video. Thanks for coming, Ihor. Folks, write in the comments if you liked this second part of our video Noob against Professional. What other puzzles can be solved, or what a particular speedcuber do you want us to invite in our studio? So thanks a lot to Ihor.
And I say goodbye for a while, because you will see me very often on this channel.
Yes, Ihor became a second host of this channel. Congratulations!
Hooray!
So watch other videos on this channel, and I gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.